Good morning, student. Today we are going to start solving questions in chapter 9 journal. Okay. Yesterday in last class we had talking about the rules and regulation by which we are going to solve the question of journal or present the all transaction in the way of journal entry. Okay beta, today we are going to start question number 1 for chapter 9. Just see how we are going to start the journal entry. Just divide this board in two parts. Okay beta, make the pro forma of journal, 2 line, then 1 column and then date column. Okay, date, particular, LF, amount debit, amount credit. Okay beta, this is the pro forma. I think well clear about the pro forma. Now we are going to start the question, and first transaction is these all the what? These are the transaction. In this question we are taking the all transaction and put this all transaction in way of journal entry. Okay. Then Mohanpurlal started business with cash. Started business with cash. It means cash is come in a business. Then cash debit, cash account debit to capital, cash account debit to capital. Business start by cash and amount beta, amount is 60,000. Put here 60,000. Okay beta, clear? Cash account debit to capital. Next, purchase furniture for cash and amount is 10,000. Purchase furniture for cash 10,000. Put the date 1 March, 2 March. Purchase furniture for cash. Then furniture came in the business, it means debit, cash goes out, credit. Furniture account debit to cash, furniture purchase in cash and amount 10,000 and 10,000. Okay beta, clear? Go for the next. Purchase goods from cash. Purchase goods from cash 25,000. Again your purchase is always debit. Then purchase account debit to cash, because in cash purchase goods in cash and amount is 15,000. Okay beta, amount is 15,000. Clear? Now we are going for the next. Fourth and date is 10. Paid cash to Kamlesh. Paid cash to Kamlesh. It means we are going to pay the cash to Kamlesh. Kamlesh is receiver. Receiver what beta? Receiver debit and cash goes out from the business. So then credit means Kamlesh debit, cash paid to Kamlesh and amount is 15,000. Okay beta, clear? Up to this is clear na? Next, purchase goods from Sohan. Purchase goods from Sohan. We are going to purchase goods from Sohan beta. Okay, purchase goods from Sohan. Make perform this side also. Amount column. Date. Particular. LF. Amount debit. Amount credit. Okay. Then purchase goods from Sohan. Purchase goods from Sohan. Name is coming beta. When name is coming, then that transaction is on the basis of credit. It means if the name is coming, the sure or certain that transaction on the basis of credit. So then purchase account debit to Sohan. Goods purchase from Sohan and amount is 6,000. Okay beta, amount 6,000. Clear? Then go for the next, purchase goods from Sohan for cash. Here again name is given, but in that they are written the cash. If cash is coming, the no mean with the, we didn't take any type of tension for that name. If cash and name both is coming, then that transaction is cash transaction. But only name is there, then that transaction is credit transaction. So again purchase account debit to cash. Okay beta. Goods purchase in cash and amount is 8,000. Okay beta, amount 8,000. Clear? Amount is 8,000. Clear? Then next, paid rent for office. Paid rent for office. Expense, rent account debit, expense is debit and cash will credit. Rent paid in cash and amount is 1,000. Okay beta, clear? Clear or not? Clear? Again I like to explain. First is business start with the cash, then cash account debit to capital because cash is coming in the business, so debit. Then furniture account debit to cash because furniture purchase in cash, furniture is coming in business, so debit. As cash goes out from the business, so credit. Both are the real account. Next, purchase goods in cash. Purchase goods in cash. It means purchase is debit, cash is goes out, then credit. Then paid cash to Kamlesh. It means Kamlesh account debit to cash. Okay beta? Fourth is fifth. Fifth. First is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7. 8 is there, na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1 we are missing it up. 1 we are missing, that 5. Date 5. See, date 5. Okay, beta. 1 we are missing. Bought goods from Kamlesh. Bought goods from Kamlesh. It means purchase from Kamlesh. Then purchase account debit to Kamlesh. Okay beta? And amount. So the amount is not even clear. First is 60,000, second 10,000, then 25,000. Okay. and then 15,000, it's a 25,000, it's 15,000, this again 15,000. Okay beta, clear? Now total of these all 60, 70, 80. 60, 70, 80, 90, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 10,000, 1 lakh 10,000, 1 lakh 20,000, 1 lakh 25,000, 1 lakh 31,000, 1 lakh 39,000, 1 lakh 40,000. Is this coming beta? Yes. Total is 1 lakh 40,000. Okay beta? 1 lakh 40,000. Clear? It's clear? Clear the how to do the entry or not? Rule is clear, real, personal, nominal. On the basis of that rule, we are going to do this entry beta. Okay? Now, I am going to take one more question. Okay? Question number 2. Just see how we are going to solve the question number 2. Again, we are going to make the proforma. But beta is very important. Just remember the all rules. Because if rule are not remembered, then you are not able to do any entry beta. Okay? For the doing the entries, you have to know about the all rules. Real account, personal account, nominal account. A real account relate with the things and goods or assets. Nominal account relate with the income and expenditure. Personal account relate with the person. Okay beta? Clear? Now I am going to take next question in your book, the Goel book. Goods sold, goods for cash. Before that, go to maintain the proforma. I think you will remember the proforma beta. Particular, LF, amount, it's a debit and it's a credit. Clear na? Proforma is clear I think. Okay. Now we are going to start the question. Question number 2. Start with the Jan 6. Put here Jan 6. Sold goods for cash. Sold goods for cash. It means goods is out of the business, goes out for the business, and cash will in. Then cash in means cash will debit and goods means sold credit. So then entry beta, cash account debit sells. Good sold in cash. Okay beta? Goods sold in cash 36,000. Okay? Goods sold in cash 36,000. Okay, start next. Sold goods to Hari. Now here sold goods to Hari. Name is coming. If name is coming, it means beta, it means credit transaction. Name is coming means credit transaction. Okay? It means here sales but Hari. Hari receiving. So receiver or what? Debit. Then Hari debit to sell. Good sold to Hari. And amount, date is 8 and amount is 30,000. Amount is 30,000. Okay, next. Receive cash from Hari. We are receiving the cash from Hari. So cash received, cash come in the business means debit. Then cash account debit to Hari. Hari paid. Then credit. And amount is date 14, amount 18,000 beta. Amount 18,000. Okay. Cash received from Hari. Okay. It's 18,000. Next, received commission 750. Received commission 750. Received commission, it means cash received, then cash account debit, commission is income, then credit. Commission received in cash. Okay, and amount 750. Okay beta, and date is 24. Okay, next, paid salary to Gopal. We are going to pay the salary to Gopal or anyone, but here our expense, salary is like a expense, so then we are going to treat that salary like a expense. That is received by Gopal, that other things, but here we are going to take that salary like a expense. Okay beta, first make the pro forma, then start salary and cash. Salary is what? Salary is expense, it means debit, expense is debit. Salary account debit to cash. We are not using the salary paid to, name is Gopal. Okay, here no means of the Gopal beta. For our business, salary is our expense and pay that salary in cash. So no means with the Gopal. 27 date is there and 1,200. 1,200. Okay, next. Receive cash from Hari. You are receiving the cash, it means cash will debit. And by Hari means Hari credit. Receive from Hari. And amount is 12,000. See it again? Yes, 12,000. And then withdraw cash from office for personal use. Anything you are going to withdraw from personal use, that is treating like a drawing. That is treating like a drawing, and drawing always debit. Then drawing account debit to cash, cash withdrawal for office, and amount is 4,000. Okay beta, 4,000. Next, wages paid. Wages paid. Wages paid is expense on 30, and expense is always debit beta. So then wages account debit to cash. Wages paid in cash, and amount is 7,200. Okay, next and last, Dot machinery for cash. Dot machinery for cash. It means machinery account debit, cash, machinery purchase in cash, and amount is 8,000. Amount is 8,000. Okay, beta? Clear? On this way we are going to solve the questions. Okay. Now try to total the amount. 30,000, 31,000, 31, 60,000, 70,000, 76, 76 and 8, 84, 84, 85, 95, 97, 1,01,000, 1,08,000, 1,16,000, 1,16,000, and then 1,17,150. Yes, 117,150. This is the total. 1,17,150. Okay, beta? Clear? How to solve the question is clear or not? It's all the entries. Make the pro forma, and in pro forma you are going to fill the all transaction in entry form. Okay, beta? All transaction in entry form. Clear? Okay. Thank you.